Never know where you're going to be. We always forecast jobs, schedule jobs, put jobs in, but the phone will definitely ring throughout the day. In this case, Maddie called me up. All the boys are a bit busy. She asked for a bit of a hand for me to go out to a community centre which does have a blocked male and female toilets. So give the guys a bit of a hand. I'll go out to get the drains up and running for the customer. But it just goes to show, like, you plan what you want to do, but if blocked drains, hot water, gas leaks, water leaks, things like this, they happen every day and people don't want to wait for that. So we kind of got to shuffle the deck chairs just to actually get someone out there to give the customers the service that they want, that they need, to be able to fix up the issues that they have on any given day. Like, that's 10:30 in the morning, it could be 10:30 at night. So we just got to do what we got to do in this industry.